In this activity, we shall demonstrate atmospheric pressure. We know that there is air all around us. This envelope of air is known as the atmosphere, and the pressure exerted by this air is known as the atmospheric pressure. For this activity, we need a plunger. A plunger is a common device that is used to release stoppages in your kitchen sink or bathtub. It has a cup and a stick shaft. When this cup is pushed down rapidly onto the surface, it sticks to the surface very hard. This happens because the air inside the cup of the plunger goes out, creating a vacuum, and as the pressure of the atmosphere is greater than the pressure inside this cup, it sticks hard to the surface. To pull the plunger off the surface, the applied force should be large enough to overcome the atmospheric pressure.